Good morning, everyone. Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to be working with words that have the ch sound at the end of the words, and there are very specific rules for when you hear the ch sound, whether you're adding tch or ch. So we're going to discuss that today. I'm going to go through the words right now with you, starting in the first column. We have the word catch, coach, pitch, gulch, sketch, fetch, porch, and rich. Second column, reach, bench, beach, speech, screech, match, crunch, and switch. In our last column, lunch, witch, torch, witch, roach, branch, hutch, and much. I do see a homophone here. We have the words witch and witch. The first witch being, something you dress up as for Halloween. Somebody who's maybe like casts spells, and then the other witch, like you're making a decision, like which cereal should I choose? I also wanted to give you the meaning of the word gulch over here. Gulch is like a really deep ditch, bigger than a ditch, almost like a ravine, where there's, high walls, like maybe cliffs, and then you have this deep space. Oftentimes water runs through it. Now there are some very specific rules when we hear ch or when we hear the ch sound at the end of a word, whether or not we're spelling it with a tch or a ch. And they're very simple rules, so listen carefully. When you hear a short vowel sound in the word followed by the ch sound, you're going to always add tch. So tch is going to follow short vowel sounds. So the vowel is not saying its own name. Okay, like in the word catch, catch. Okay, we have the tch here because it follows a short a. I'll put that little mark above the a to make that a short a. There are a few exceptions to this rule, which there will be some oddballs this week. One being which, probably because we already have a witch on top that makes the short vowel sound, but we're adding tch. This time we have a short vowel sound, but they're adding ch here, so that's going to be an oddball. We also have the word rich down here, short vowel I, and it has a ch, so that's an oddball. And we also have the word much, short vowel u, and they're adding ch. Other than that, when you hear short vowel sounds in front of the ch sound, you're adding tch. So that leaves us with when we add ch. We're adding ch when we hear the long vowel sound in front of the ch sound. So long vowels, they're saying their own names. So let's go through and look at our bold word, like the word reach. You hear e, reach, long vowel. It ends with ch. We also have, let's find another one, coach, long O, ch. Let's see, I'll find one more for you. Beach, e, adding ch. Now there is an exception to the ch rule. Whenever you have the R sound, the L sound, or the N sound in front of the ch sound, you're only adding ch, like in the word lunch. Lunch has a short vowel, but there's an N sound in front of the ch sound, so we have to add only ch. Let's find another one with the R sound, torch. That's a short O, but because we have the R there, we're adding ch. And let's find one with an L over here, gulch. We have an L here, so we're only adding ch. So tch to the short vowels other than our oddballs, ch to long vowels, and any word that has the R, L, or N sound in front of the ch sound. That can be a little tricky, but it's something that you're going to have to keep in mind, and this will really help you in your own spelling. And if you have any questions about the meaning of any of the words, please pop your hand up. I'd be more than happy to help you. It's time to grab our scissors and happy sorting.